I'm aboard a Sea Ray 480, 48-foot Sea Ray. Looking to the left, see a shower sump, a red Westerbeke generator, entry into the engine room, the black water sewage holding tank. Hold on as I bounce down here a little bit, hold on. Now I'm in the engine room. You can see the oil changing kit right there, reverso. Big transmission, big exhaust, air intake. Over here on the starboard side, the starboard transmission, and a very big Cummins diesel. In fact, a pair of Cummins diesels right here. Don't know the horsepower, but I'm going to guess they're in the neighborhood of 600. You can see where you check the oil and add the oil. And then this big brass disc is where the raw water pump impeller goes. Alternator on the starboard. And here we've got these stainless steel cooling pipes with that brass bronze head for a zinc. Oil pressure and temperature gauge. Another zinc right there. Another zinc right there. Coming up forward, you can see the oil filter and the fuel filter over there on the outboard side. Lifting ring in case anybody needs to lift it out. And a thermal sensor to go to your dashboard for the water temperature. Looking down here, you can see the motor mount, engine mount, and you can see the pickups for the raw water for each engine. The hoses will not bend that easily, so they actually crisscrossed them. The starboard engine raw water pickup is on the port side of the keel. You can see there's two bilge pumps down here, those white round bilge pumps. And then this piece here is a high water alarm. In case the bilge pumps cannot keep up, this buzzer will go off, letting you know that the water is too high and you should take action to get more water pumped out. This little pump you hear running is the air conditioner water pump to cool the air conditioner compressors. And over there on the starboard is a vacuum generator for a vacuum flush toilet system. And to let me swing back to port, the other vacuum flush for the other toilet system. Swinging around, look back to the back of the boat and the way out through the lazarette and the aft deck cockpit. If you want to learn more about engines, maintenance, and cruising, check out our training videos. Ask Captain Chris.